So give me some places of where you want to work.
I was thinking maybe Yukon Medical Center.
Career Transition Services, or CTS staff at the Hartford Job Corps Center in Connecticut are busy helping students find jobs.
Yes, I'm calling to follow up to see if you can give me some information on the job openings.
We're not just looking to place you somewhere for a number. We're really looking to identify a best match for the longevity of your career. But your housing is stable here in Hartford?
They begin working with students from the moment they enroll in Job Corps.
Excellent. You start to work with them and you see this drive, and sometimes it's a hidden drive. And I think part of your working with them is to pull it out of them, to really help them understand why working and being a contributing member of society is so important. How's that going for you?
I'm on the last chapter.
Great.
They've been really helpful as far as helping me get my resume done, cover letters, interviews, and just getting a job.
Lexio Nunez recently graduated from the manufacturing program.
All right, so I got some good news for you.
And CTS staff have been with him every step of the way as he started looking for a job.
They make sure that you're doing what you have to do to make sure you come out of here with a career.
That's everything from childcare to transportation to identifying what their skills are and looking at who we have as employers, what skill sets they need, and then try to make a match. So I have a suit for you. I think this will look great. And then you already have a suit, so just try putting this underneath this blouse with some pearls.
CTS staff put Lexio in touch with a manufacturing company in New Britain, Connecticut called Creed Monarch. Lexio was eager to find out how he did after the interview.
Okay, so I just got off the phone with Creed Monarch, and some good news. They want to offer you the job.
That's awesome.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Lexio's new job starts him at $15 an hour. He's excited.
It's gonna help me save up for my first car, my own place, and just my future.
But the work of CTS staff isn't done yet. They keep a close eye on these graduates to make sure they'll succeed in their new careers for years to come.
We worked with them for a year, but to be honest, that's on the books. You get into this field because you really want to help them. So if they call us a year and a half later, 2 years later, and they need our assistance, we're going to provide them with that support. So I think it's a lifetime relationship.